ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। ॐ अद्यतनविषयः अस्ति, अद्यतनवर्गः अस्ति समासप्रकरणे पूर्वे अन्तिमवर्गः। ह्यश्वदिनात् समासप्रकरणं भविष्यति। अत्र अद्य प्रत्ययप्रकरणमेव अस्ति। ह्यः वयम् अपश्यामः त्रयः प्रत्ययाः क्तिन् अण् नीनि, क्तिन् अण् नीनि। अस्तु, ब्रह्मणः जगदुद्भवति, जगतः कर्ता ब्रह्म वा। ये दोनों in these two, are there any difference in the meaning? अर्थे अंतरम अस्ति वा?
ब्रह्मण जगत जगत उद्भवति. So that is with kriya. It is not a bhavvachaka shabda. The second one, jagatah karta brahma, is a bhavvachaka. There is no kriya there. He is the creator. That's about it.
अस्तु, किन्तु भाववाचक किमर्थं? भाववाचक is when like alam hasitena sah hasati. That is bhavavachak. No, there is no karma.
Yeah, here in jagatah karta brahma, okay, the karma is part of the karta, karoti.
Brahma jagata karta. That Brahma is karta of jagat. And in the first one, Brahmanaha, Shashti Ekavachanam, that also, Jagat Udbhavati.
Jagata also Shashti.
Jagataha also Shashti. द्वितीय, वियति पक्षिणा उड्डीयन्ते. किमर्थमस्ति?
आकाश में पक्षी उड़ते हैं. पक्षिणः is not plural. एक पक्षी है ना?
नहीं, plural. पक्षी ही पक्षी. This is like गति शब्द, मति शब्द इति वा. मति ही मति मतयः जैसे पक्षिणौ पक्षिणः, sorry, not मति, करिन् शब्द इति वा. करिणौ करिणः, that is पक्षिणौ पक्षिणः, in that way. पक्षी पक्षिणौ पक्षिणः. पेज नंबर 126. करिन् शब्द. करिणौ करिणः इति वा. पक्षी पक्षिणौ पक्षिणः. बहुवचनं. पुष्पाणि पतन्ति सन्ति. ये दिए हैं इन. कुछ ज़्यादा नहीं है, या पुष्पाणि गिर रहे हैं. पुष्प करेक्ट. नेक्स्ट ऑल्सो ओदनम पचत अस्ति. पचत ऑल्सो इज शत्रु प्रत्यय. भात पक रहा है, दैट इज शत्रु प्रत्यय. सो दे आर टेस्टिंग. योधः युध्यते, पक्षी उड्डीयते, उदडीयत वा, अग्निदीप्यते, दुष्टः क्लेश्यते. तो अत्र योधः कस्मिन् प्रत्यये अस्ति?
like that.
हाँ, युद्ध करने वाला युद्ध कर रहा है, ऐसे.
Sharvana?
सर्वं?
No, that is Sharmana was one of the.
No, sorry, what? Sharva? No, but what did you say? Ka, you can say ka pratyaya examples there were there like that. Likaha, Krishaha. You can say Yodaha as ka, or you can say ach. Nandigrahi pachadibhyo. Lunini achaha. Pach jaise. Pakaha. That way, Yudh Yodaha. This is karne wala arth mein hoga na. If it were kap pratyaya, then you could say it is like wala karta artha there also. It is karne wala. That is otherwise. But Abaji, what did you say? Sharma something?
Sharmana. I have made a note of it, but I can't remember why.
Sharmana.
What that is. It is related to some people, right?
I don't know. Sharmana. Sharman. That way Sharmana will come. But why that is not relevant here.
Okay.
Anyway. Pakshi uddiyate udadiyata va. What is the difference? Antaram kim asti? Bhinnata kim asti? भेदः
उठता है या उठता था.
सत्यम. लट्लकार लंग्लकार. Agnihi dipyate. So here you can say Agnina dipyate also. By Agni dipyate. Dushtaha klishyate, dushtena klishyate also is okay, but bhavavachya they are given. Karmavachya. Agnihi.
I have something to say. I mean, because Abaji was saying some notes on Sharman, and then I realized, okay, that might be because in that list there is one word Sadhanam, which comes out to be different from the others. I think that may be one reason she would have made a note.
Sadman, correct. Is that it, Babaji? Maybe. Because on page 88, that Veshman and then Sadhanam is there. Sadhanam should be Sadman. We had seen this when we were seeing the Abhyasa 44. Sadhanam is also Ghar. But here it is supposed to be Sadman, which is also Ghar. Veshman, Sadman. So there Sharman is there. Maybe that is the linkage. Anyway.
So we had a test. I don't have the Abhyasa number written, unfortunately. That's why I'm struggling. So Swada, Swakiyam, Sharma, Ichha.
44.
These sentences were in that.
Swada, Swakiyam,
Sharmana was one of the sentences we did. Swakiya, Vishwani, Sadmani. Exactly. That's where I have it.
Third sentence of page 89. उदाहरण वाक्य तृतीय.
फोर्थ वाले का मेरे पास जो हम लोगों ने ट्रांसलेशंस किए थे ना, शर्मणा वस.
गृहे शर्मणा वस. In this way.
तो यहाँ पर भी क प्रत्यय है ना, वो क का ही लेसन है. That is how I was referring to which प्रत्यय it is, and then I got lost. Sorry.
Okay. अस्तु. अग्रे. मम धर्मे बुद्धि. नहीं, उदडीयते is लंग. उड्डीयते is lat.
Udiyate is lat.
उदडीयते.
Udadiyata is lung.
लंग. Past tense.
So, of past tense in Atmanipada, isn't it?
Yes, because uddiyate also is Atmanipada, right? Udupasarga purvak, that way.
Okay, so it will be like Ud Adiyata. Is that how it is?
Correct. So ud adiyate. Here, because ud plus d is udana, na? So ud adiyate will become udadiyate because jalanjashashi. No, jalanjashonte.
Now I'm just trying to get, usually in a Ramlakar I will start with the and I'm just trying to figure out how to.
Utupasarga purvak adiyate.
Yeah. That's it.
मम धर्मे बुद्धि कर्मणि च प्रवृत्ति अस्ति. देयर इज नथिंग बिग हियर. मेरे धर्म में ऑल ऑफ दीज आर देयर. बुद्धि कर्मणि प्रवृत्ति अस्ति.
See, when we say mama is
Mam-
shashti or shashti, right?
Shashti mama. So okay. What is the sentence? How does it work? This sentence?
Yeah, that's see, shashti is mama, dharme is saptami. So, of me, मेरे धर्म में,
बुद्धि.
या मेरे धर्म में
बुद्धि.
मेरे धर्म में बुद्धि और मेरे बुद्धि में धर्म. I think
नहीं, बुद्धि में धर्म will be बुद्धौ धर्मः. मेरे धर्म में बुद्धि. मेरे धर्म में बुद्धि. मेरे बुद्धि धर्म में, ऐसे भी बोल सकते हैं.
हाँ, मेरे धर्म में बुद्धि.
And what is the second half?
कर्मणि च प्रवृत्ति अस्ति. So, you know, this is also Shakti, where pravritti is like Jagata.
No.
Mistake, mati.
बुद्धि and pravritti are prathama ekavachana. Dharme and karmani are saptami ekavachana. मम धर्मे बुद्धिः, मम कर्मणि प्रवृत्तिः. स पंडितं मन्यः पंडितं मानी वा अस्ति. वो स्वयं पंडित
समझता है,
अपने आप को पंडित समझता. अहं शाकाहारी निरामिष भोजी वा अस्मि. अहम
शाकाहारी निरामिष भोजी हूँ.
आई एम वेजिटेरियन. बस मैं हूँ, सत्य. जगत सुंदर है.
निरामिष भोजी is a bit like आत्मयाजी.
करेक्ट. सो आत्मयाजी, हाँ, आत्मयाजी शब्द ऑल्सो इज नीनी प्रत्यय, राइट. आत्मयाजिन, वहाँ से आत्मयाजी. वेलकम.
So Niramisha Bhoji. So like we had earlier Ushna Bhoji.
Ushna Bhoji.
Like hot.
Niramisha Bhoji is in the list, right? I think it is in the list. You see, Niramisha Bhojin is Shakahari. जगत सुंदर है.
जगत सुंदरः अस्ति.
सुंदरोस्ति, I can say.
मनोहारी
सुंदरम अस्ति और सुंदरः अस्ति.
सुंदरः, सुंदरोस्ति या मनोहरोस्ति. That way you can say. Or you are saying Jagat is Napumsakalinga. Okay, if you want to say Napumsakalinga, then Sundara. जगत में बहुत से मनुष्य मूर्ख और पापी हैं. जगत में जगति बहवः
मनुष्याः मूर्खाः पापिनः च सन्ति अथवा वर्तन्ते.
सम्यक्. मूर्खाः पापिनः च सन्ति. पापिनः, व्हाट प्रत्यय? नीनि. पापिन शब्द ये प्रथमा बहुवचनम. पापिनः, पापी, पापिनो, पापी. आकाश में बहुत से पक्षी हैं. आकाशे यू कैन यूज अथवा वियति. वियति बहवः नहीं, संति. पक्षी हैं, पक्षी उड़ रहे हैं नहीं ना, पक्षी हैं, संति. हाँ, बहवः पक्षिणः सन्ति. आकाश स्वच्छ है. वियत, हाँ, वियत देन स्वच्छ अस्ति, स्वच्छोस्ति, निर्मलोस्ति. In the book there is Nirmala. In the harder copy, Nirmalaha, Nirmalosti. So if you say Viyat Nirmala, that will become Viyan Nirmalo. Viyan Nirmalosti. फल पक रहा है. फल पक रहा है. How would you say?
Phalam pachatasti.
Pachatasti. Because like this. हाँ, like Shadra Pratyay is used. पत्ता गिर रहा है, पत्रम पतन अस्ति, पतंती संति, गिर रहे हैं वैसे बोल रहे हैं तो पतंती संति, गिर रहा है पतन अस्ति। गुरु की गति, हाँ, हाउ वुड यू डू दिस? इंटरेस्टिंग।
गुरोः गति गुरुः मनुष्यस्य मति वीरस्य कवेः ऋतुः भद्रस्य भूतिः उदारस्य उक्तिः इष्टस्य इष्टिः वीरस्य वृत्तिः पुरुषस्य प्रवृत्तिः योगस्य युक्तिः। I don't know what that means, but मुमुक्षोः च मुक्तिः सुखदा भवेत्।
सुखदा भवेत् और
I don't know whether we will say sukhada or sukhadaha.
सुखदा, सुखदा is okay. Sukhada bhavatu you can say, like tathastu, in that way, bhavatu, or bhavet also is not wrong, it is reading lot, they are similar. Yoga se yukti, yoga has so many meanings, so one of those meanings. हाँ Sundarji,
Sumanjay ji, your speed reminded me of Namaste Astu Bhagavan as we used to study it before. Everybody had to say it in one breath. Namaste Astu Bhagavan Vishveshwaraya Mahadevaya Trayambakaya. Your speed.
देखो all नमकम चमकम सब याद आ जाता है वो बोलते हैं तो।
very quick, wonderful and all correct. संस्कृति में धर्म में प्रवृत्ति, हाँ ये कैसे होगा?
संस्कृतियाम,
संस्कृत्याम,
संस्कृति में संस्कृति,
संस्कृतौ।
which vibhakti this is?
सप्तमी should be.
सप्तमी मतलब आबाजी, what did you say?
संस्कृतौ।
संस्कृतौ, correct. Like mati, samsritau, bhumi, whatever, bhumau we say, samsritau, prithvi, whatever. Prithvi will be
Samsritiyam is also mati, right?
Acha, both are.
Mati is Saptami is both Matyam and Matau.
Acha, हाँ, yes, mata, vikalpa is there for mati, but generally for samsriti it will be samsrityam. That's what you said, Sundarji? You said Sanskrit. Okay, that is allowed. That is fine. Samsrityam is also okay. Prithvyam वैसे बोलते हैं ना?
Prithvyam, yeah, that is the word that came in my mind.
So it is okay, yeah. Or Bhumi, if Bhumi Shabda we are thinking, then Bhumau is a much common prayer. Both are correct. Satyam. Correct, Sundarji. Yes. Samsrityam, Samsritau.
Dharme pravrittihi. Following the number 6 sentence. Dharme pravrittihi.
Agre.
इसमें जो दिया हुआ है, and then विद्यायाम गतिः.
Agre.
मुक्तौ मतिः.
Why muktau? Mukti Vishaya you are just ignoring.
मुक्ति विषये मतिः.
Why Mukti Vishaye? The Samasa Prakarana has already begun. Mukti, okay. So Mukti Vishaye is correct, it is not wrong, and Muktau is also correct. But you can also say Muktehe Vishaye, because Muktehe, what you said now, Mukti Vishaye, this is called Shashti Tatpurusha Samasa, this will come for us. So Mukti Vishaye is Samasa, and then Anvaya will be Muktehe Vishaye. Muktehe Vishaye, हाँ, Agre, Abhaji, Matihi, फिर
विपत्तौ च धृतिः.
हाँ,
then सर्वेषु, right?
then नहीं होती.
This time there is a negative sentence.
नहीं होती.
न भवति.
न भवति, yes, न भवति you can say. न भवन्ति, न सन्ति, नास्ति, whatever, all are correct. न वर्तते, न वर्तन्ते, whatever. पति पत्नी से स्नेह करता है.
पतिः पत्न्यां
स्निह्यति, स्निह्यति. Then छात्र छात्रा से स्नेह करता है.
Also we had the word for Patni in Brihadaranyaka as Kalatra.
Kalatra? We had Bharya.
Bharya in Dakshinadvara Kaumudi.
No, in Brihadaranyaka also, first chapter you did not. 5th Brahmana, Saptana Brahmana,
No, but
Jaya, sorry, Jaya.
Now, recently the word Kalatra Putra, maybe it came in SV triple S. Sorry. I get confused between the texts now. In SV triple S it came. Kalatra Putra.
Kalatra Putra. Yes, that had come. Correct. Astu. So you can say Bharya, you can say Jaya, like how in the mantra Jaya me syat. Kalatra also is okay. But these are better words. Kalatra is not generally for human beings. It is like these words, like Patni, Bharya, Jaya, or Vedika prayer. Huh? Do we
use Ardhanjali Shabda?
Ardhanjali?
Ardhangini.
Ardhangini. Huh, you can. Not a...
Bharya and Patni, Ardhangini Shiv के संदर्भ में आता है वैसे.
Yeah. These are not... So the common ones are these. Patni, Bharya, Jaya. In order... so Patni, Bharya, Jaya, Kalatra in order of commonality, I think. Generally we see these shabdas a lot. So anyway. स्निह्यति दशम. हाँ, दशम छात्र छात्रा से स्नेह करता है.
छात्र का छात्राया
हाँ
स्निह्यति.
हाँ. गुरु के जाने पर शिष्य आया. विच प्रत्यय ऑल्सो हियर. Guru and then Guroho, if I say
Guroho Gate.
Gate.
Or Gatva.
Gate. Gatva. Okay. Gatva is also correct.
Shishya Agataha.
Agataha. So if you say Gate, Agataha. Gatva, you can say Agataha, but you can say Agachati. That is maybe more consistent. So Sha, Ta pratyaya और Tva pratyaya. धर्मों में आर्य धर्म श्रेष्ठ है.
धर्माणाम आर्य धर्म श्रेष्ठः विसर्जनीयस्य सः. Make the sha.
But
आर्य धर्मो श्रेष्ठः. आर्य धर्म श्रेष्ठः.
आर्य धर्म श्रेष्ठः. Something. So that is correct. Then
if you keep nodding head, I get confused whether I said the right thing or not. Then I get into that doubt.
No, it is correct. So the dharmanam you can say athava. Dharmanam arya dharma shreshtaha. Okay. Shreshtosti. There also you can say Shreshtosti or Shreshtaha. Athava dharmanam athava kim.
उनके लिए विकल्प.
But dharmanam or dharmeshu also you can say. Shashti saptami both are okay. Both bahuvachanams are okay here. Dharmanam shreshtaha, dharmeshu shreshtaha is also okay. पर्वतों में हिमालय श्रेष्ठ है. सेम वे. हाँ, पर्वतों में हिमालय श्रेष्ठ है.
So then following that it would be पर्वतेषु हिमालय श्रेष्ठ अस्ति.
श्रेष्ठोस्ति. Shreshtaha asti. So that Shreshtaha asti will become Shreshthotri through Ator or Aplutad Apluti. Agre, Agrima.
Arjunah Dhanurvidyayam. This was easy actually. Kushalaha, Patuhu, Nipunaha, Dakshaha asti.
Dakshascha asti. Raja.
Shatrun or Shatroh Upari. I don't know which will be right. I mean, I'm doing it from Hindi, but Shatroh, wait, what will be that? Shatroh के ऊपर फेंकता है और Shatrun Shatroh पर.
Saptami, no?
Sundarji, what you said? Shatrushu.
Shatrushu.
Correct. Saptami bahuvachanam you can take, na? On the Shatrus. Shatru. Upari, literal translation you can take Upari, but it is more meaningful to say Shatrushu. Raja or Dripaha Shatrushu, then Bhaan pekta hai. So that
Ishu.
Ishu.
Shipati.
So what will it be? एकवचनम और बहुवचनम? एक शत्रु पर 10 शत्रु पर एक ही बाण. He must be very skilled.
With mantra only.
He is very skilled.
शब्द ना
ईशून.
एकरे वाला एक ही है तो देखता है एक वचन.
बट इतने शत्रु हैं ना, बहुशत्रु.
महाभारत में तो एक ही शत्रु पे एक ही योद्धा 100 बाण फेंकता है एक बार.
हाँ, सो महाभारत के राजा अगर ले रहे हैं तो, या अर्जुन धनुर्विद्या सीखे, एक बाण से 10 शत्रु पर एक ही बाण फेंकता है. देन यू कैन से एक वचनम इज इनफ. और अगर अर्जुन नहीं है एंड सम सामान्य जन्म है तो सामान्य व्यक्ति कैन पुट बहुवचन. सो दिस इज अप टू कॉमन सेंस लॉजिक वी कैन यूज. वीर युद्ध करता है. वीरः योधः युध्यति. सम्यक्. अहं युध्ये. त्वम् और तूने. त्वम् यू कैन से. त्वम्.
अहम मैं युद्ध करता हूँ. If you look at it will be lat, right? Lat uttama purusha.
लट् उत्तम पुरुष. सम्यक्.
It's yudhve.
युद्धवे.
Yeah.
संख्या
I'm looking at page 171.
Let's see. युद्धवे is given, correct. मैं युद्ध करता हूँ. युद्धवे. Okay. So to युद्धे, not युद्धे. Let's see here. Yudhve must be correct. Nahi, see, there is a misprint, so you have to correct that. It is yudhye. That's why yudhve sounded weird. Yudhve is wrong. Yudhye. Page 140, 171.
Where you are showing in Ashtadhyayi, वहाँ तो युद्धे है.
Yudhye is correct. Yudhve is misprint.
The book says yudhve.
Okay.
Book says Yudhve, and what does this PDF say? PDF says Yudhye. PDF is correct. Book, there is a misprint. Yudhye. Aham Yudhye. तूने युद्ध किया. त्वम.
युद्ध से
किया. अयुध्य था. देन हंस आकाश में उड़ता है. किमस्ति?
आकाशे उड्डयति.
आकाशे अथवा यति. यति एंड उड्डीयते. अग्नि दीप्त होती है. ये दिए हैं. व्हाटएवर. अग्नि दीप्यते. मूर्ख दुखित होता है तो मूर्खः
क्लिश्यते.
क्लिश्यति है ना. इज इट क्लिश्यते और क्लिश्यति? क्लिश्यते आई थिंक. क्लिश्यते. क्लिश धातु विल बी आत्मनेपद, राइट? क्लिश.
So question sentence number 5 is an example ना.
अच्छा. हाँ. क्लिश्यते. सम्यक सम्यक. सत्यम. करेक्ट. दुष्टः क्लिश्यते. मूर्खः क्लिश्यते. हाँ. 22.
So I saw क्लिश्यते or something like that. You were seeing in the Ashtadhyayi. Suddenly that flashed in the screen.
Which one?
क्लिश्यते. Oh, this is
Lit.
coming how?
Lit lakara.
Okay.
Like parokshe lit. Chiklishe. Somebody did. Somebody suffered. Before, like Ravanaha chiklishe, you can say. That. Something like that. द्वाविंशति
सः पंडितं मानि पंडितं मन्यः.
सम्यक्, सिंपल. एंड अहम शाकाहारी अस्मि, स मांसाहारी अस्ति. Today we finished very quickly.
Niramisha bhoji asmi. It's exact same sentence. Number 8.
Yeah, same thing. Shakahari asmi or whatever. Niramisha bhoji asmi.
Also, I want to ask a question of Chiklishate. So if we can say Ravana Chiklishate, then we can also say Murkha Chiklishate, right?
Chiklishe. See, but parokshe you can say, of course you can say. There's nothing wrong in saying that. But lit lakara is huwa. Parokshe bhutakal is lit. Right? Here they have not given, they are giving hota hai, partaman ka, lat lakara only. But generally in Purana and on we see a lot of lit lakara. Even what Bridhanyaka etc. also. So much lit lakara usage is there. In the past it happened. But it is paroksha. I was not there to see it. Paroksha lit.
And in the past also we have 2 lakaras, is it? Like immediate past and long ago when we don't know?
Three lakaras are there. Anadyatana bhutakal, paroksha bhutakal, and
just bhutakal.
Just bhutakal is ring. Then anadyatana bhutakal is lung. Then the one that we have been seeing all this while. And there is of course lit. So I am seeing here anadyatana, paroksha, bhutakal. 3 bhutakals are there. So every day when we read this ring lakara and all in all the dhatus, that is the meaning. So example, yadi tvam vidvan abhavishyaha tari sukham papsyaha. If you had become vidwan, you would have been happy. Ring lakara.
They find the most idiotic people so happy.
Ignorance is bliss.
I mean, if somebody is perennially happy, you say, oh, he's mentally off or something, or whatever.
Ignorance is bliss. Yeah. Astu. Guroho gate sati nasti, gurau gate sati. Saptami is used when you use sati. Hamsaha viyat uddayati nasti, hamsa viyati uddiyate or uddayate. Acha, when this sentence came, Sumanjay ji said uddayate, that is also correct. I forgot to say. So uddiyate is given here, but that uddayate is also fine. Upasarga purva. I think that's what he said, Sumanjay ji. If I'm wrong, correct.
Yes. So I said uddayati.
उड्डयते उड्डयते और उड्डीयते आत्मनेपद. 2 ख को लोट लंग विधिलिंग लिट अभी किया हमने ये युद्ध धातु में. इन शब्द में के रूप लिखो जगत वियत. सो बोथ आर नपुंसकलिंग. पतत आल्सो नपुंसकलिंग. ऑफ कोर्स पतत यू कैन टेक फ्रॉम शत्रु प्रत्यय रूप. जगत एंड वियत आर इन द बुक एंड ऑफ कोर्स दे आर शब्द रूप. पतत will be like patadhatu and shatraprati. Patat asti in that. Mati buddhi dhriti kriti ukti vritti. All will be like mati. इन धातुओं के 10 लकार में रूप लिखो युद्ध डी दीप क्लिश. एंड इन धातुओं से क्तिन प्रत्यय लगाकर रूप बना. हाँ, दिस विल बी फन. कृ धातु क्तिन प्रत्यय किम भविष्यति? Kriti hi. And then Kriti hi, or you can say Kriti also is okay. Kriti. Kriti, Hriti, Dhriti. These 3. Then for Ga.
Ga becomes Gi.
How?
That is the Gumaste.
Ghumastha Gapa Jahati Samhali. सम्यक. देन गम गति
and P. Yes, दो शब्द गा and पा के लिए था वो.
करेक्ट. घुमा स्था also. Stha will become sthiyate. Ghuma stha ga pa. Ghuma also. Ghuma stha ga pa. All of them are. Gam ram nam. Gati rati nati. How?
धातु उपदेश.
बहु सम्यक् आभाजी. हाँ, फुल सूत्र अनुदात्तोपदेश.
फुल सूत्र नहीं है.
वनदितमोत्यादीनाम् अनुनासिकलोपो जलिनिति. अनुदात्तोपदेश वनदितमोत्यादीनाम् अनुनासिकलोपो जलिनिति. अग्रे स्थापा
Stapa we just did, right? Stipi.
Correct, we
We
did.
just said Guvasta.
So ga will become gitihi and pa will become pitihi, but stha will become sthitihi. Will stha become sthitihi? No. It becomes
Yeah.
या नहीं. स्था धातु क्तिन् प्रत्यय किं भविष्यति? स्थितिः. But ga will be gitihi, not dirgha. So why not dirgha for stha? How, Sutra?
तो गा वाले लिस्ट में वो स्थान नहीं है, तो इसलिए दीर्घ नहीं होगा. That is all.
But why that this is there? Na?
No, Guma, Pa, Stha, Ga, Pa hai.
वो it is there.
Pa is exception.
There is another. So stha there, guma stha ga pa jahati samhali mein, that stha dhatu will become dirgha in certain conditions. For certain words, like this sutra, guma stha ga pa jahati samhali. So when you see the examples, sthiyate, teshthiyate, in these conditions it becomes dirgha, but not for kriti, ktin pratyaya. For ktin pratyaya it will be hrasva, sthiti. Yandasthasya. And for that there is a sutra, dyatisyati, mastha. So here also you see there is stha. Dyatisyati mastha mitti. In all these dhatus, dirgha will not happen, hrasva will happen. Dyati, tirditaha, nirditavan.
We looked at this in that Stapayati and all that also, I think.
Yeah, this is also repeat. These are all repeat sutras in all the words they have given. Nirditavan is a, not nirditavan. Avasitavan, mitavan, sthitavan. So in this way, sthitaha, sthitavan. In that way, sthitihi. Same. Here also, sthitihi also you can add. Pa we will see in swap. Swap will become what?
Swapiti.
Swapiti.
Swapayati.
Swapayati. There is no niche. And even if there were, it wouldn't be that. Suptihi. Swapiti is there, but not for ktin pratyaya. Swapiti, like saswapiti, that way. But if you want to use ktin pratyaya, स्त्रियांक तीन प्रत्यय अगर प्रयोग है तो सुप्ति ही, स्वप्तु सुप्ति ही सूत्र. Okay, one more thing we'll see and then we see sutra. Yaj will become what? Ishti. So swap supti hi, yaj ishti hi. Katham?
Samprasarana.
Samyak sutra.
Raj.
Okay. Vach dhatu will become ukti hi. So vachu ya I swa su. So
Which is swapi.
Vachiswapi
then
yajadi naam.
kiti.
Vachiswapi yajadi naam.
Kiti.
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 Yeah.
So there is a question, you may get this question later, so we will address it. Vachiswapi yajadinam. Yajadinam. Why Adipada is there?
Etc. There are some more in the list.
So what are those in the list? Laghu Siddhanta Kaumudi does not give.
Ganapatha will give no.
Ganapata, yeah, you can take that, like in that row, whatever is there. But or the Ganapata will have it will have. But here you can go to Ganapata, but Kashika also gives.
Oh.
And the Laghu Siddhanta Kaumudi Bhaimi Vyakya also gives. In fact, there is a shloka in Bhaimi Vyakya for the Adipada, what all dhatus have come. I can see that shloka and tell, but there is a shloka. There is a proper Anushtup Chanda shloka itself. But anyway, what all are there here? So, Vachi Uktaha, Uktavan, Swapi Suktaha, Yaj Ishtaha, then Yajadi, Vap, Vah, Vas, Vei, Vyei, Hwei, Vad, Toshvi. Many dhatus are there, and all of the rupas are also given by Kashikagara. As also,
So agar
Siddhanta Kaumadikara is also giving. हाँ, प्रश्न?
हाँ जी, तो that आदि श्लोक that you mentioned, वो केवल इसके आदि के लिए होगा, है ना? ऐसे आदि तो कई सूत्रों में आते हैं.
नहीं, हाँ, बिल्कुल, of course, only for this. Bhaimi Vyakya is the tika, like the tika for Laghu Siddhanta Kaumudi. So in this sutra of Laghu Siddhanta Kaumudi, Bhaimi Vyakya has that. Of course, other hadiths are of course will be different. Astu. Kam sham. Sham with tin pratyaya. Kim bhavishyati? Sham dhatu tin pratyaya. Sriyang tin.
Nam Sham we looked at as Bhuktim, Bhuktihi,
So sham will be?
Shukti,
Sham is
Shakti.
Shanti.
Kanti.
Kanti, Shanti. Bhuj dhatu will become bhukti. Jakara to kakara. Here there is no jakara kakara. Na? Sham. So sham will be Shanti. Dirgha happens and then Anuswara. Same way for Dama. Dantihi. That also is there. I think Danti Shabda comes, right? In Brihadaranyaka 6th chapter.
Shanto Danta Uparatastitikshu.
Absolutely. 4th chapter, that is. 4.4.23. Shanto
Viyat
Danto.
also comes. Like in Brahma Sutra, we have Akashadhikaranam and Viyadadhikaranam.
Yes.
To separate.
Viyat also does come. Correct. And Danti, Shanto Danto Uparatastitikshu, that is well known for Sarandra Charishta, 4.4.23. But in 6th chapter, when the Deva, Danava and Manava go to their Guru, and Guru says Da, 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 there also I think there is a mention of the word Danti. We have to check that. But I think it is Damyatam is there. But Danti may also be there. Damyatam is given to Devaha. But either Bhashya or the mantra itself, there is Danti, I think also. Astu. Saptami, kin sthano par hoti hai, so udaharan likho. So this Gurau Gate Sati, in that way, there will be many sthanas, many places. Vakya banav karke we will complete. Jagati Vakya, or even Jagati, Jagati Vakya, there will be better words.
Jagati Ekaha Kailasashramaha Vartate. Jagat mein Kailasashram. Something like that.
Good, nice. Jagati Eka Kailasashram Vartate. Ekaiva Kailasashram also. Or Eka Kailasashram eva Vartate. Samyag. Jagatam or Viyati and Viyati, if you want to say.
We talked about it.
Viyati Vimanaha Uddiyate.
Okay. Viyati Vimanaha Uddiyate. Anything you can say. Uddiyate Shabda also you can add, or something different also we can use. Something more Vedantic, something more.
Appears के लिए क्या कहते हैं?
But what is the Sandarbha? What is the context?
Viyati blue appears.
Acha. Drishyate you can say. Viyate Neela Drishyate. Neelo Drishyate.
Drishyate.
Which one did you say, Sumanjay ji? What word did you say?
Pratiyate. So in Chatushloki Bhagavatam, that Pratiyate comes. One of the verses. Pratiyate or something like that. So
Pratiyate. In gatau dhatu. That will be right. That will be in gatau dhatu. Iya. Prati upasarga purvat. Iyate.
Yes.
Say. Iyate. Inagatau. This first one you see. Inagatau dhatu. Jana artha. Bhava karmano ho latlakara prathama purusha ekvachanam is iyate. Iyate. So prati upasarga purvak iyate. So if I say prati here.
And we say like adya viyati swachha asti.
किम स्वच्छ अस्ति अग्नि अज्ञ
अद्य आज स्काई क्लियर है ऐसा कह सकते हैं
अच्छा अच्छा
तो
अद्य अद्य वियति नहीं ना वियत आई मीन वियत इज स्पेस वियति मीन्स इन ना सप्तमी विल कम वियति so all of the other words we have already seen huh? Yuktihi, any sentence with yuktihi?
Tarkaha yuktihi asti.
Tarka yukti asti. So many are there. Yeah, this person there, this book also had given, right? Granthakara had given something for yoga.
प्रधान ग्रंथः अस्ति
हाँ, योग की युक्ति ग्रंथकार योगस्य युक्तिः सुखदा भवति enjoying
करके श्रुतेः अनन्तरं युक्ति भवति श्रुति युक्ति अनुभूति in that krama we accept the krama.
So nyaya you can use in nyaya darshana itself you can take tarkehe shruter anantaram yuktirasti or like how Yamacharya had said in Naisha Tarkena Matirapaneya, there also you can say Yukti Avashyakamasti or something. So many other. Samyak. Nyaya Darshana you can take Shruti Yukti Anubhuti there also. Satyam. Astu. So in this way, for now, Pratyaya Vichara has ended. So we will just see what is next before we start. Atra from beginning. Prathamabhyasat, Vayamapashyama, all of these are Gana Parichaya is there, Samanya Niyama, Dhatu, Lakara, Sarve, Apicha, Navama Abhyasat, Sandhi. From Navama Abhyasa we saw Sandhi. All the way until Sulopa, Etat Tadoho, Sulopo, Naikara Samase Hali, Naisamase Hali, Sulopo Kara Naisamase Hali. This is Panchavimshati. 25th abhyas tak we finished Sandhi. But in the beginning, Pratyaya began, right? Oh no, Pratyaya began after that. Gana has begun in the middle of it. Gana, etc. is all here. This is all Gana also. And Pratyaya began on 28th. Nich Pratyaya. Prathamaha. Nich Pratyaya. Nich, Sun, Ktavatu, Shatra, Shanaj, Tumun, Twa, Lyap, Tavya, Aniyar, Yat, Ach, Ghay, Trich, Lyut, Nul, Ka, Khal, Ktin, An. And also Nini, etc. Ach, some things they have not given here. Up, all of those also we have seen. As well as those that have not been given in the book. So the book itself says a number of pratyayas. We added some more, I mean, the shabdas there are shabdas like Matu Pratyaya, Chvi Pratyaya, Cha Pratyaya, all those also we saw. Nini they have not given here, but it is there in the book itself. Matup and Chvi and Cha, I don't think are in the book. Matup is coming later, you see, Matup is coming on 52. So what happens now is for the next 6 or 7 abhyasas, there are samasa. Avyayi bhava samasa, tatpurusha samasa, karmadhari samasa, bahuvrihi samasa, dvandva samasa, nay samasa. All are there. Tadhita pratyaya will come after. 45 to 51, next couple of weeks will be samasa prakaranam. And then we return to some pratyayas and then the book will end with the pratyayas itself. Okay. And Stri Pratyaya is right at the end. Somebody had asked, right, about Sri Pratyaya. It is coming in the last Abhyasa. And then if required, we can do some more work on Sri Pratyaya. Astu. Any other questions before we stop?
Yes, so for Sati, we saw this thing, Guru ke jaane ke baad shishya aaya, like that. Now, one question that I had is, in our Lakshanas for Tarka Sangraha, we get Vamsa Bhinnatve Sati, Vamsa Bhinnatvam Nityatvam, something like that. Now, this thing, so Sati, what is the exact meaning? Is it like, I mean, in Tarka it's like Vams, say Bhinna, Vamsa Bhinnatve Sati, like that when it comes. So, Dvamsa Pratiyogitvam, like that it will come.
Nityatvam.
So,
Nityatvam
is it like
Lakshanam.
Sati is conditional?
Hone par, you can say. So, Nityatvam,
The best word.
Nityatvam, if you say Nityatvam, Dvamsa Bhinnatve Sati, Pragavava Pratiyogitvam, if you want to say something like that. Dvamsa Pratiyogitve Sati, Pragavava Pratiyogitvam, something like that. ये ध्वंस होने पर भी ध्वंस भी नहीं है और होने पर like that. So here also that way only. Gurau gate sati, Guru जाके जाने पर. हाँ वैसे.
Sati is literally par.
Yes.
In English it can also be like given that.
Given that, Satyam, given that. This is Sat Dhatu and Sati, Saptami. Sorry, Sat Shabda. Sat Shabda, Saptami. You say Sat, and then you see Saptami Ekvachanam will be Sati, right? You see? Sati.
Okay. Now clear.
Okay, any other questions? Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudatchate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shantihi Shantihi Shantihi. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayam Sutrabhashyakatau Vande Bhagavanto Punaha Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagini Vyomavadvyaptadehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shantihi Shantihi Shantihi. Om.